Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your drumming skills to the next level with the MOSEN MED-X5 electric drum set mesh drum pads from MOSEN Music? This incredible product is a game changer for drum enthusiasts of all ages. With its sturdy metal frame and premium build, you can expect a professional-grade drumming experience. The mesh drum pads provide a realistic rebound, making you feel like you're playing on an acoustic drum set, and the dense mesh drum heads ensure durability and superior sound quality. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The features are top-notch. For example, the dual-zone snare enables rim strikes for tonal variation, giving you a wide range of sounds to work with. The premium silicone cymbals deliver consistent tactile feedback and stable sound, making you feel like you're playing on a real drum set. Plus, the built-in metronome and LED display help you improve your timing and precision. The MOSEN MED-X5 is also incredibly versatile, with 260 built-in sounds and 30 realistic preset kits covering diverse music styles. This makes it perfect for apartment-friendly silent practice, and the headphone output ensures that you can practice without disturbing others. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drummer, this product is ideal for you. It's also a great gift for music enthusiasts of all ages, offering an immersive drumming experience. With its dedicated support team, you can trust that you'll have help every step of the way. Overall, the MOSEN MED-X5 electric drum set mesh drum pads is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their drumming skills or simply have fun playing music. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.